In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add devices to Nordvpn, whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started. Ensuring all your devices are securely connected is essential. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps to enhance your internet security using Nordvpn. First up, you'll want to navigate to Nordvpn's official website to download the application tailor-made for either your Windows PC or laptop. Having the right application ensures that your experience with Nordvpn is smooth and optimized. Once you've opened the Nordvpn homepage, which looks sleek and user-friendly, you'll see the option to download the app prominently displayed. Next, before kicking off the download, it's crucial to log into your Nordvpn account. Clicking on the login button will direct you to fill in your credentials. A quick tip, make sure your password is strong and secure, combining upper and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols to fend off unauthorized access. Once successfully logged in, you're all set to return to Nordvpn's homepage. This is your dashboard, if you like, where you can access all the features Nordvpn offers. Now, it's time to download the application. Look for the download button. It's hard to miss, usually sitting standby in a vibrant color that catches the eye. Click it and the application will begin to download, harnessing the full capability of Nordvpn right onto your device. While the download progresses, let's talk about another nifty feature Nordvpn offers: browser extensions. These extensions are perfect for those who seek lightweight yet robust protection. Head over to the pricing section. Yes, pricing, but don't worry, the extensions can sometimes be freely available based on your current subscription package. Click on browser extensions to explore these options. Browser extensions can be especially beneficial if you often find yourself hopping between different devices. They offer seamless VPN access without the full installation, maintaining your internet privacy with minimal resource consumption. If efficiency and speed are high up on your priority list, definitely give these a try. So, to wrap things up, you've downloaded the Nordvpn application, sorted out your login credentials, and explored browser extensions, each step bringing you closer to a safer online presence. Ensuring that all your devices, from laptops to browsers, are adequately protected couldn't be easier with Nordvpn. By following these steps, you're not only fortifying your privacy, but also embracing the convenience that comes with a single application managing all your VPN needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in expanding your Nordvpn usage to multiple devices. Feel free to catch up on our other videos for more insights and tips on getting the most out of your digital experiences. Stay secure and browse safely.